Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to Sufa English High School. Today we will learn about the second poem of textbook of English 1.3 The Pilgrim. The Pilgrim in this poem, the poet of this poem Anonymous. The message are given by this poem to all of us. What types of message are contained in this poem? We will understand it and learn. First of all, we should read it, and after we will learn the message from this poem. So let's start to understand this poem. The Pilgrim. A pilgrim going along highway came at evening, cold and grey, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here at evening tide? And last, the pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followeth after me today a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fear for me, to the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. And we completed our reading of this poem. We all of know that in this poem, the message are given by poet to us. There was a one pilgrim who started his journey, but in evening he ended his journey. There was one chasm which was very deep and very wide and very vast, and hardly he crossed the chasm and he reached other side of the chasm, and he started to building a bridge over the chasm. The other pilgrim said that, why are you wasting your time for building the bridge over the chasm? He said that, I completed my journey, but there was one fear, there was one problem. Before me, the follower who are coming before me, they should not be face any types of problem. So I am making this bridge over the chasm. I hardly cross this chasm, but the youth which are coming, they should not be problem by crossing this chasm. So I am making this bridge. They can easily cross it. The pilgrim said that your journey already ended. Why are you wasting their time here? So he gave reply like that, which I told you. Okay. So boys and girls, we should understand that if we think ourselves, so we are selfish. If we think for other people, we are very humble person. So think about for other, we should help to other, we should care to other, but we should respect our elder firstly and then other. So boys and girls, that message we took from this poem. If you have any doubt of this poem, inshallah in next video I will show you difficult meaning of the word which contained in this poem. Yeah, then